In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Match Move transition in Canva. Start by opening Canva and heading into the presentation you want to enhance. On your first page, arrange your elements exactly how you want them to appear at the start. This could be a photo, a headline, an icon, or a background color. Think of this page as your baseline. The cleaner and more intentional your layout is here, the better your transition will look later. A quick tip: keep the same elements you plan to animate. If you delete and add a new version of something, Canva won't recognize it as the same object and the effect won't track as smoothly. Next, duplicate that page so you have a second one to work with. On the duplicated page, make changes only to the element you want to animate. You might move a photo to create a zoom-in feel, resize or rotate an icon for emphasis, nudge a headline to a new position, or adjust a background's color or transparency for a subtle mood shift. The key idea is that whatever is different between page 1 and page 2 is what Match Move will animate. Small adjustments create gentle motion, bigger changes produce a more dramatic move. Consistency helps here. Keeping fonts, images, and shapes the same but in new positions gives Canva a clear path to follow. Now it's time to add the transition. Hover your cursor between page 1 and page 2 until you see the plus icon that says Add Transition. Click it, and in the sidebar that opens, choose Match Move. Canva will compare the two pages and automatically animate the differences, creating a smooth, professional motion between them without any manual keyframing. It works best when the same element exists on both pages, so those earlier choices really pay off. After the transition is applied, you can fine-tune the feel. Click the transition icon again to open the settings, then choose Adjust or use the duration controls to set the speed. A shorter duration will feel punchy and energetic, while a longer one will feel more elegant and cinematic. Match the timing to your presentation's tone: snappy for fast-paced slides, slower for storytelling or emphasis. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.